In this class, you will learn how to use alcohol inks to paint a whimsical flower vase with flowers in your sketchbook. Hello, beautiful. My name is Trina Brannon. I have a passion for color and a passion for helping others. That's why I'm excited to be teaching here on Skillshare. I have many identities. Among them, I'm a children's book illustrator, a surface designer, and I license my artwork. I'm a multifaceted artist. I did traditional art and digital creating. I am also a founding contributor to the Alcohol Ink Art Society. I just love coloring. My favorite art supplies are the ones I have in my hand. In this class, I'll have alcohol inks in my hand, along with a few other tools. This after party is targeted towards those of you who like vivid colors and want to create a vase with flowers. If you have never used the alcohol inks before, I recommend you watch the Alcohol Ink Party Intro to Alcohol Inks class here on Skillshare. But you don't have to. You don't have to go to the party first. You can come straight to the after party. I will cover the basics of alcohol inks. In class, I will cover how to safely use the inks and what to be aware of, how to prepare your sketchbook to receive the inks, how to add layers, detail, and texture to your art piece using the inks. The techniques can be applied to any subject or composition. Creating vibrant and interesting work with alcohol inks is easy and fun. For the class project, you will paint a vase with flowers in your sketchbook, or you can use a piece of paper if you choose. If you've taken any of my classes, you know I recommend a smaller size, such as a greeting card, or in this case, a sketchbook page, for a few reasons. Practicing the techniques you will learn in class on a small surface gives you the opportunity to get to know the technique on a smaller scale, which you can then apply to a larger scale. The techniques I'm showing you can be used on other surfaces that play well with the inks, like metal and glass. I think you'll find the class to be fun and relaxing. You can use your new skills for any subject matter, for just me time, or to create lovely artwork to hang in your home, give as a gift to others, or even sell. When you participate in class, you will see how easy and fun it is to create with these simple techniques. You'll get to experience how the inks blend and dance around together, and each vase with flowers will be unique. I encourage you to use these techniques in your own style. It will be interesting and inspiring to see what everyone is making. So let's get started. I'll see you in the alcohol ink after party. Up next, we'll talk about the project. See you there.